Chopper back at it again, aka J Chopper, aka Chopper Racing on YouTube. Y'all already know what it is. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's do that first before I start this video. But right here, I'm gonna show you guys my 1995 Honda Civic EG Coupe. It's also an EX, so I got the sunroof. Y'all already know. Push that roof back. So this EG here, I only picked it up for $1,000. You believe that? $1,000. All I changed on it was the carbon fiber hood, and I put some fresh OEM hubcaps on it and lug nuts. Other than that, the car is completely stock. Single jingle, single overhead cam, and for the most part, the car's pretty mint. It's chipping a little bit of clear coat, got a little bit of rust here and there, but it doesn't have rust in the structural parts. So let's take a walk around it, and I'm gonna show you guys the car. This is it right here. As you can see, the quarter panels is mint, all original, which is almost impossible to find this on these cars, whether it's EG, EKs, even Integras. So if you take a walk around here, show you guys the back. It's a pretty nice car, you know. I have plans of going K-Series on it in the future, but right now I'm focusing more on my red car, on the EK hatch. So of course I had to put the Chopper Racing on the top. That's an automatic. So let's take a walk around here, and I'm gonna show you guys the only thing that really bothers me on this car. So as you can see, these quarter panels are mint also, for the most part. Doors are straight. Now we get to the ugly. This is the ugliest thing. This rust spot right here. It seems like they changed this fender to an aftermarket one at some point in its life, and it just started rusting out. I bought the car like this, and I have plans of putting carbon fiber fenders, so I'm not really stressing it too much. But let's go to the inside. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. This is gonna be a short video because this car is not really it's not really too crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Come on, let's go. All right, so now we inside the car. It's basically stock, simple, automatic, very clean, no cracks, no damage on the dash. You know, it looks really good for its age. And the best part is, hear this bad puppy purr. Let's hear a purr. Let him eat. Ooh! It turned on better than a Lambo. The interior's pretty clean. The seats are pretty clean. I mean, has some stuff for his age. Glove box works amazing, which is hard to find. That's basically it. It's probably all there. It's really nice. Sunroof works. Let's show you guys the sunroof real quick, because I like to stun on them. Okay, that's up. Now we're gonna go back with it. Oh. Y'all see what's going on. How many of y'all got a working sunroof in your EX? Let me know. Comment below that. Let's close it back up, show you guys it's working properly. Ooh, like butter. And we're out. Here's the best part. Little Hawk's engine bay. Here we have it. The single jingle killer. This is the engine bay. Pretty much mint, you know. Has little rust components and brackets, but it's all there. AC, heat, everything works, power steering. I mean, the car drives great for what it is. Of course, this doesn't cut it for people like us, but for the most part, it gets the job done. It's a good car. If it was used for a commuter, it'll be perfect, but I don't really need this as a commuter. This is more something to have fun with and, you know, build. And like I said with the last video of the red hatch, I want you guys to follow me. We're gonna go through the journey of the red hatch, and then we're gonna continue our journey to turning this into a K-Series. So it'll get painted or have the carbon fiber front, carbon fiber fenders, I mean, with the carbon hood, and it should be a nice, fun car. We're gonna have a lot of fun in this car because unlike the red one, this one I could drive it around and do a couple silly things with it. So I'll see you guys on the next one. This is a little short video. It's just me showing you my other car, you know. So I hope you guys like this, and like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and show me love, man. Subscribe, share my videos. I'm doing this for y'all, so, and I'm just having fun with it. So, y'all already know what it is. Chopper out of here.